we'll guide you through how to determine if ChatGPT is bad for the environment. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the OpenAI website and look for their latest sustainability report. Most companies release these reports annually, and they'll provide insights into their environmental impact, including energy use and carbon emissions. You can usually find this in the About Us or Corporate Responsibility section at the bottom of the homepage. Once you have the report, focus on sections discussing energy consumption and carbon footprint. Look for metrics like total energy usage, renewable energy sources, and any carbon offset initiatives they may have. If the report mentions partnerships with environmental organizations or efforts to reduce emissions, that's a good sign they're taking steps to mitigate their impact. Additionally, you can research independent analyses or studies on AI's environmental impact. Universities and tech publications often release reports on the subject. Search for articles that specifically mention ChatGPT or OpenAI to get more targeted information. You might also want to check the type of data centers they use, as some are more energy efficient or rely on renewable energy. Understanding the energy efficiency of data centers can give you a clearer picture of their environmental footprint. Finally, consider the life cycle of the hardware used to train AI models. This includes the production, usage, and disposal of servers and other equipment. The sustainability report or external articles might touch upon these aspects as well. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.